Hello, I'm Gary Owen. I'm the president of Owen Insurance Group, and I'm extending to you a personal invitation. If you are a licensed life, health, and Medicare insurance agent specializing particularly in Medicare planning, or if you're a health insurance agent that is looking to get into the Medicare space, then we invite you to attend one of our 3 workshops coming up in Florida. On June 15th, Wednesday, June 15th, we'll be in Jacksonville at the Hampton Inn and Suites in Deerwood Park. On June 16th, Thursday, we will be at Orlando at the Spring Hill Suites by Marriott at the Orlando International Airport. And then on Friday, June 17th, we'll be at the Embassy Suites at Palm Beach International Airport at 1601 Belvedere Road. All times for all locations are 9 a.m. starting. Free breakfast, 2-hour CE on the Medicare marketplace. And then if you're struggling or you're feeling not confident about your Medicare business, or you want to supercharge your Medicare business, this is going to be for you. Great ideas that we are going to present to you about your Medicare marketing, how you can increase your business, and how you can make 6 figures income within 24 months. So please contact us at 772-210-1020 to RSVP. And remember, a free breakfast, 2 hours of a CE class on the Medicare marketplace, and how we can supercharge your business as well. And we are also giving away free giveaways, including a $50 gas card at each location. So we look forward to seeing you soon. Come by and say hi.